Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you if you have a Bosch washing machine and you're getting an E01 error. So what is it and how to get rid of it? So first of all, what is it? The E01 error is a really simple error. It's just saying that it's detecting that the door is not closed. So now this could be happening for one of two kind of categories of reasons. The first would be that it's not closed. The door is not closed, and the second would be that for some reason it's sensing it's not closed even though it's closed. So the first thing is just to make sure that your door is closed, keeping in mind that you can think it's closed, it can look closed, but not actually be closed, especially if you've put clothes in it to wash and clothes have flopped out and maybe gotten pinched in between the machine and the door when you closed it, and so it's not actually closed. It might even be clicked, but it's sensing that it's not fully closed. So that would be the first thing, and you can even check for gunk buildup in the lock mechanism or something like that to see if it's not closing properly. If that doesn't fix it, it might be something with the sensor. You can get in here and check the wiring, make sure that all the wiring is connected properly and that it's not sending a signal that it's not closed or failing to send a signal that it's closed to allow the machine to work properly. And then if it's beyond that, it might be a control board issue, or another thing that I always recommend if you're getting, especially with modern machines, if you're getting some kind of error and you're not sure why, just to do a hard reset on the machine. So disconnect it from power completely, turn it off for a full minute, then turn it back on, just like your computer, doing a hard reset on your computer. Sometimes we'll get rid of these errors. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.